This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the Maryland Pavilion at Bio International 2017 here in San Diego. I have with me Laurie Boyer, Executive Director of the Rockville Economic Development, Inc. It's a private agency. Laurie, welcome back to SNN Live.
Thank you, Shelley. It's a pleasure to be here.
It's good to have you. So I'd like to start out with an overview of Rockville, and then we'll go from there.
Great. So Rockville Economic Development, or REDI, is the economic development agency on behalf of the City of Rockville in Maryland. We're a 501c3, and we foster economic growth for the city, helping businesses to launch, locate, and expand in the City of Rockville.
So what do you do on a daily basis?
Well, every day is different, but we work with our existing companies and help them grow and expand in the city. We work to attract new companies into the city, much like we're doing here at this conference now. And we also work with entrepreneurs and startups to help them get started, and we make a lot of great connections in the business community for our businesses to grow and thrive.
Where do you draw your small businesses from?
So a lot of our small businesses are homegrown businesses. They come right from the residents of Rockville or in the adjoining area. Many companies are looking for Rockville because it's a great business location. So we also work with a lot of entrepreneurs who are just looking for that centralized location with fantastic access to international airports and highway systems as well.
Plus, it doesn't hurt that the FDA is down the block.
Absolutely not. No, we have great proximity to the FDA, to NIH, to NIST, and many of the other federal agencies that a lot of our life sciences companies need to have as they grow.
So describe to me in short the kind of company you're trying to attract.
So we have a great bio cluster already. Honestly, already a lot of pharmaceutical companies and also some medical devices and a lot of pharma service companies. So contract manufacturers, contract researchers who help get drugs to market.
Now, I understand, you have a good pull for talent with all the universities. You want to go into that a little?
Sure, absolutely. Rockville has one of the highest educated workforces of anywhere in the country, and we do have great proximity to many of the University Systems of Maryland colleges, including the universities at Shady Grove, which is in Rockville. Also Montgomery College, a fantastic two-year school that really works very closely with the business community and helps create those pathways to careers. And also the Johns Hopkins University and all of the other University of Maryland system schools.
Do you get tech transfer activity in Rockville?
There are absolutely companies who are looking to do tech transfer, specifically with some of the federal agencies like NIH. And so there's a lot of great opportunities, and BHI, BioHealth Innovation, is one of the great resources located right in Rockville that we often refer a lot of our companies to.
How large an area do you have, for these companies?
So Rockville itself is fairly small, population of about 67,000 people. We're about 14 square miles large, but we are basically the center of the I-270 biotechnology cluster in the state of Maryland, and there's certainly opportunity in both the lab and manufacturing markets for companies to grow.
How's business?
Business is actually great. So we've had a lot of companies who have either moved into the city or we've seen expansions within the city. And one of the great tools that we have to help them is our Rockville Move program, which is an incentive program for new companies who are just moving into the city, and our Business Expansion Fund, which helps existing companies as they grow and expand in the city of Rockville.
So what I want to do is give your website out and also give your personal contact email, perhaps, so that companies and people can contact you directly.
Absolutely. So for more information, our website is rockvilleredi, REDI.org, or certainly email me, Boyer, at rockvilleredi.org, or call the office, 301-315-8096. We're happy to answer any questions.
Ladies and gentlemen, Laurie Boyer, Executive Director of the Rockville Economic Development, Inc. It's a private agency. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNN Live, and we're coming to you live from the Maryland Pavilion at Bio International 2017 right here in San Diego.